What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Wandering Beard. So we got an interesting development. On the 3rd, they called all aboard for us in San Antonio at like 5 p.m. So we all got on the boat, and it's now 1 o'clock on the 5th, and we're just now leaving. So it's been a couple days. We were just stuck in port, so now you can see the tugboats are finally taking us out, and we're heading to another port. We aren't gonna make it because we're supposed to be in a different port today, so we won't make it to that one, but we'll see what happens. We're gonna have to skip a couple ports to make our trip. So yeah, kind of an odd one, but we're still having fun, enjoying the days on the boat, and yeah, we'll see where we end up next. We finally got out of San Antonio, and a few days later now we are in Punta Arenas. So we're gonna go explore, and I apologize, I got a bit of a cold today, but we'll fight through it and we'll have some fun. Punta Arenas is another water shuttle port. That's our number today. Hopefully it goes better than last time. Stumbled upon a free walking tour, so we're just going to wander around and learn a little history about the town. So he's telling us that this little museum, which is right over here, got attacked like 5 weeks ago. It just destroyed it. Alright, we're now getting a tour through a graveyard. It's got these giant trees that kind of reminds me of The Shining. All that red stuff on the grave, and you see it on the buildings too, is protesters. Yes, they do a lot of protesting in this town. So there's a lot of damage to buildings and stuff like that.
Right, so
this square behind me is Human Rights Square. This is where their protests are focused. So a lot of the buildings and everything are damaged around here. finished up a little 2.5-hour walking tour. It's nice to hear the history and all about the protests and stuff. And now we're just kind of wandering around. Alright, we just finished up having a little meal and a beer. It was suggested that we have a lamb shank. We tried a couple of their beers at this La Luna. It's like a brewery bar. And I think we're gonna go do a little walking around, see if we can find some souvenirs, and then it's probably back to the boat. Alright guys, thanks for bearing with me with this cold. It's been kicking my butt a little bit, but we had fun. Punta Arenas was a good time. Had a fun little walking tour, and yeah, now we're back on the boat and we're gonna head to the next location. Make sure you like and subscribe to these videos. Also, I'll put my Instagram in the link below. You can check that out. I post some pictures every once in a while and what I'm up to. So yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.